Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and saving a backup. This protects your original. Next, go to the Review ribbon and make sure Show Markup includes comments so you can see every note. Once done, open the Comments pane or switch to Balloon View to reveal inline comments. You'll want this visible before removing anything because it helps you read author context. Now you're ready to remove comments selectively or in bulk using the controls we'll use next. You can remove a single comment by clicking it and choosing Review Delete, which is ideal for isolated notes. If you need to remove all comments from one author, right-click a comment by that author and choose Delete All Comments by that author. This saves time. Make sure to filter authors first via Review Show Markup-specific people so you don't accidentally remove others' notes. Once filtered, confirm the list and proceed methodically through the remaining comments. To remove every comment at once, choose Review Delete All Comments in Document. This is the fastest route when you're finished reviewing. Make sure to accept or reject track changes first if you want a clean final file, because comments often relate to edits. Finally, reopen Show Markup and check specific people and hidden header/footer sections to ensure nothing remained. If something's still present, double-check document copies and track change settings as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.